What do practitioners get with the TrapEAZE technique? The TrapEAZE technique is a marvelous tool for practitioners to achieve the outcomes that they really want. There's 7 different reasons for this, including: number 1, higher revenue because you determine how much you want to charge per treatment without a franchise telling you what to do. Number 2, lower costs because there's no expensive high-tech specialized equipment to buy. Number 3, you get to save tons of time treating patients because it takes less than 4 minutes per treatment. Number 4, improving productivity since it's only 4 simple steps, which means you can comfortably treat over 10 patients per hour with only 1 treatment room. Number 5, eliminating risks because it's extremely safe given that it's non-invasive. Number 7, it attracts new patients since upper back pain is a wide open blue ocean specialty. And number 7, it has immense return on investment because it pays for itself in full after treating only 1 single patient. The goal is to provide you with immense value for your investment. And just one of the many ways that the TrapEAZE technique provides higher practitioner satisfaction is through its roadmap that extends into 2024. What that means is that unlike 99% of other continuing education courses, it will continue to get better in time. In this way, you get what matters most to you, and not what's convenient for the developer or his team. As you'll see for yourself, Dr. Justin, the TrapEAZE technique founder, has big plans for it, which you'll witness when you get access to its tell-all webinar. As a fellow colleague, practitioner, and consumer of continuing education courses, he intimately understands what his fellow practitioners want. And due to that, he has completely flipped the script by offering something that he believes is astounding, which you must see to believe for yourself. Sign up now to get access to the next free 70-minute skills and tools upper back pain workshop, where you'll end up discovering more about upper back pain than probably anywhere else.